What is going on, guys? HappyGengar here, and today I have two Gardevoir packs that I purchased. Got them already out of the wrap, and we'll go ahead and crack into these. Bear with me as I am a little handicapped right now. So we're gonna try the trick this time. So that way won't spoil anything early. Alright, we got an Electrike, Weakness Policy, Nidorina, Barbuck, a Zigzagoon, Trico, Vulpix. Oops. We have a Rhyhorn, EXP Share Reverse, and a beautiful Kingdra Hollow. So I love that. I was so glad that that was the promo from that set. So very cool. Next we have a Gardevoir, another Gardevoir pack. Hoping for the best here. Already got a holo, so my pulls are good enough. I guess you could say. Alright, let's see. Three. We have a Mr. Mime, and we're already spoiling stuff. Acrobike, Nidoqueen, Honedge, Metatite, Drillbur, Shroomish, a Merrill, Reverse Weedle, and a Mega Gardevoir EX. Holy crap, these pulls, though, these pulls. Guys, please give this video a like if you liked it. My arm is very tired from just doing that. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will catch you guys later. Stay awesome.